Welcome to our video featuring the NFESOLAR large waterfall filter system, perfect for ponds and streams up to 4,500 gallons. This heavy-duty system includes a powerful 1200 GPH pump and a spacious stainless steel waterfall box for impressive water circulation and a beautiful waterfall effect. It uses advanced 5-stage filtration technology with a UV clarifier, filter brushes, dual-density pads, fine filter floss, and bioceramic rings to keep your water crystal clear and healthy. Constructed from industrial-grade 304 stainless steel with a rust-resistant matte black coating, it ensures long-lasting durability outdoors. The innovative shoreline design allows you to maintain and clean the filter media easily from the pond edge without getting wet. This versatile system is ideal for koi ponds, water gardens, and commercial water features, offering reliable performance every season. Plus, it comes with everything needed for quick setup, including the pump, hose, and all filtration media. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.